Hi there, this is Peter, the Calva guy. I want to show you a thing that I just discovered the other day that actually blew my mind a bit when I realized it, but maybe you know already and haven't told me. Anyway, it's CoPilot and Calva together. And yeah, let me demo it. For this, I have created this silly little app here that is supposed to show the Easter day for any given year. So this app. But as you can see, it always gives us this joke back. So that is because we have hard coded the date here. And so this is the code that is implementing this view here. And you can see that in the main view, after we have displayed the year picker, we display the date using this function here. Yeah, it displays the date in this format. It is fed the date from the result of this function here. And that's the function that is currently hard-coded to always give us April 1. So let's try to fix that together with CoPilot. So we'll ask CoPilot what it knows about Spencer-Jones formula. You tell me Spencer Jones formula. So Spencer Jones was a British astronomer who, yeah, he was really good at math and stuff. So he could, his formula could be used to calculate the Easter, can be used to calculate the Easter day for any given day. And here it gives us some, yeah, looks like LaTeX that it can't really render here, but that doesn't really matter because we want a closure function, right? So we want this to be calculated. So can you implement the closure function using this formula? Okay, so it gives us a shorter version of the function of the formula here, and then it actually gives us an implementation here, and it seems to copy our test code over here as well. And then what I usually would do is I would take this function here, paste it in here, and evaluate it into my application and run it. Yeah, so that's pretty good workflow. But sometimes ChatGPT doesn't get things right the first time, so it is a lot of copying and pasting. And yeah, when you have a pure function like this, especially, it would be cool if you could evaluate code in this code block, right? And so the other day I just tried it, and look, it actually works. So now we could evaluate this function here, and we can try it. So it actually seems to, oh, wrong there, but correct for the other ones. So, okay, this is much better than this, let's say. So we could take this code here and see that we'll test about this one actually run. And now it says March 27 here and April 16 for that one, and it's correct for all except this one. So now we could try to get ChatGPT to iterate on this. But there is another thing. This is a bit quirky yet because I just discovered it. I didn't know that Calva and Copilot work together like this. So there is no code in Calva that tries to do this correctly. So see, when we evaluate this function, it doesn't get evaluated in this namespace as you probably want in this case. So, and that also means that in this namespace we require Clojure test and stuff like that. So we can run this code there, but I don't think we can run this code here because there's no namespace t here because it's evaluated in the wrong namespace. So it's still quirky, but for some future version of Calva, hopefully we have been able to fix this. So thanks for watching, and I hope you put this to good use. Even with the quirks, it's super useful already.